Hello everyone, welcome to another PrizePicks tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video, I will show you how you can contact live support on PrizePicks. Now as you can see, we just made a new update that Wyoming and Alabama, Tennessee, and more countries are joining the PrizePicks, so that's really great to see. So how can you actually contact live support on PrizePicks? When you're here, what you can do is, there are three different ways how you can contact support. You can go to Help Center, and from here, as you can see, you have live support and you have chat now. Now, once you click chat now, you will be able to send them a message right here. Now, not only that, but I really like how they have support on their Twitter. So if you're on their Twitter, or how they call it right now, X, you can go here and you can message them directly and they will be able to assist you immediately. So they have a 24/7 live support. It's available in app and on our website, so everything is pretty much streamlined when it comes to this. So if they don't answer you here on their website, you can go to their PrizePicks Twitter, and they will be able to answer you here. Also, if you have any issues, the issues will be displayed here. They will actually tweet it out and you will be able to see whether or not you have issues with your PrizePicks account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you wanna see more PrizePicks tutorials on our channel, definitely check it out, because we made a lot of PrizePicks tutorials on our channel. And yeah, if you want to see something else, you can check out our channel as well for more other tutorials. Thank you guys for watching.